Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Deva Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah Surya Brahma Vichar Sarvarna Adyam Jagat Vyapini Veena Pustakadharini Mabhayam Jayam Takarupam Aseshalika Malika Vidavati Padmasate Sanskritam Vandezam Parameswari Bhagavati Buddhi Pradana Saradam Nasoyayam Nasarajahayam Bhatribhadyam Vachabharakari Jaye Krite Vardhata Eva Nityam Sarvadhanam Pradhanam Vyadhanam Sarvadhanam Pradhanam. Namaskar, good morning everybody. How are you? Are everybody fine today? Okay, please sit down. And today we will begin our work from one meditation, okay? Simply, what is that? Namyoho Renge Kyo. What is that? Namyoho Renge Kyo. Take your position correct. Okay. Uh, Now I'm going to play the music. Come on, relax. Namyo Renge Kyo. Namyo Renge Kyo, Namyo Renge Kyo, Namyo Renge Namyo Renge Kyo, Namyo Namyo Renge Kyo, Namyo Renge Namyo Renge Kyo, Namyo Namyo Renge Kyo, Namyo Renge Kyo, Namyo Renge Kyo, Namyo Namyo Renge Kyo, Namyo Renge Kyo, Namyo Renge Namyo Renge Kyo, Namyo Renge Kyo, Namyo Renge 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 Namyo Renge Kyo. What is sound, everybody? Renge Kyo, Namyo Renge Namyo Renge Kyo, Namyo Namyo Renge Kyo, Namyo Renge Kyo, Renge Kyo, Namyo Renge Namyo Renge Kyo, Namyo Renge Kyo, Namyo Renge Namyo Renge Kyo, Namyo Namyo Renge Kyo, Namyo Renge Namyo Renge Kyo, Namyo Renge Namyo Renge Kyo, Namyo Renge Namyo Renge Kyo, Namyo Namyo Renge Kyo, Namyo Renge Namyo Renge Kyo, Namyo Renge Kyo, Namyo Renge Namyo Renge Kyo, Namyo Renge Kyo. Please louder sound. Namyo Renge Kyo, Namyo Renge. Swapan, what happened to you? He's silent. Namyo Renge Namyo Renge Kyo, Namyo Renge Kyo, Namyo Renge Namyo Renge Kyo, Namyo Renge Kyo, Namyo Renge Namyo Renge Kyo, 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 Namyo Okay, now keep silence for certain time. then we will begin our presentation. Complete silence. Actually, we have to begin our work with meditation. So, meditation is really beneficial for our life. And today, I think students are going to present in their own presentation. I'm making the presentation ready. Uh, um, okay, produce cosmic energy, everybody. And apply that energy in your eyes. Especially, you must produce two times. One time when you produce, you apply in your eyes. Next one you can apply in your face. So now open your eyes and now be ready for your presentation. All right. So who are going to present today? I asked 4 students to prepare the slide and send. Right. So who are they? Uh, Sasank Lamsal. Next, who is next? Nilisa Joshi, Sapan Paudel, and Srijal Karki. So first, which one? Which one is there first? Okay, so Sir Sasank Lamsal, please, you come.
Good morning everyone, it's me Shashank Mansal. Today I am going to present in the topic of physiological structure and life process. Introduction. All living organisms are composed of cells that requires various essentials such as oxygen, nutrients and hormones to survive. These all essentials are very important for all living organisms equally. Numerous life processes take place within cells, leading to formation of certain unnecessary substances. We are going to discuss about human blood circulatory system. When we eat food, it undergoes digestion and the nutrients are absorbed into the blood. The blood carries this nutrition to all the cells where they undergo oxidation, which helps to produce energy for various life processes. Major component of blood, we are going to discuss about blood is a fluid connective tissue which consists of 55% of plasma and 45% of blood cells or corpuscles. Thus the main component of blood are plasma and blood cells. A healthy adult has 5.5 liter of blood in average. We are going to discuss about plasma. Plasma is a transparent fluid which is generally yellowish in color, and it is non-living. It contains various substances such as hormones, antibodies, etc. Now, compromising 80 to 90% of water and 10 to 20% solid in the form of protein, fat, minerals, and carbohydrates.
And there is problem, I think, right? So next time, just various substances throughout our body, right? In plant cell, there are conducting tissues. Could you remember the conducting tissues of plants? Plants? Yeah, xylem and phloem, right? In our body, so there are blood vessels which helps to conduct various substances through them, right? Sometimes it is in our toe, sometimes it is in our head. Yes or no? That means there is regular movement of blood from heart to different parts of the body and vice versa, right? Oh, it's already gone. I think this connection is not so good. Good. So, Sasank Lamsal. Here is given, uh, cells are the building blocks of all organisms, and cells are capable of carrying out various physiological actions like respiration, digestion, excretion, reproduction. One cell reproduces, then another cell is produced, isn't it? Formation of new cells. And um, the cell, individual cell contains different substances like oxygen, digested nutrients, hormones. Hormones are a kind of chemical substances that are responsible for performing special tasks in our body. We grow because of hormone. We can reproduce because of hormone. If the hormone is not produced, then we become sterile. We become so much energetic because of, some are so passive because of hormone. That means more production of hormone, less production of hormone, or normal production of hormone. So here, more production means hyper. Hyper means excess. Hypo means less. And normal is normal. Yes or no? At first, we'll begin human blood circulatory system. Blood circulates, goes throughout our body. You know what type of circulatory system do we have? Or what type of blood circulation is there in our body? Open or closed? What do you think? It is closed system. Same blood, it circulates throughout our body. How does it travel? Later on we'll be discussing. There are some type of blood circulation like a pulmonary circulation, systemic circulation, and coronary circulation. Three are there. Okay? So blood is the thing which contains all the nutrients, water, carbon dioxide, it means oxygen. There is useful thing as well as harmful thing. Uric acid is also there. Are you fond of eating peas or not? Meat or not? They contain more protein. Yes or no? When the protein reaches in our body, it breaks down and changes into uric acid and urea. That uric acid and urea is useful for our body? It is harmful. That's why it must be excreted, thrown out. So which part is responsible for filtration of blood? Kidneys. There are one part called nephron. What do you call them? Nephron. So blood circulatory system mainly contains three organs or three constituents are present in blood circulatory system. One is the heart, pumping body. Next one is pipes, blood vessels through which blood goes or travels within the body. And next one fluid. What is that? Blood. Blood is liquid connective tissue. It connects different cells and tissues. What does it contain? 55% plasma means fluid and 45% blood cells. So liquid is more and blood cells are a bit less. Our blood is red in color. Why?
Because of hemoglobin.
Because of hemoglobin. Actually, those blood cells are of three types, right? What are they? RBC, WBC, and platelets. RBC, WBC, and platelets. So RBCs, they contain one pigment that is rich in iron. We call it hemoglobin. When oxygen reacts with hemoglobin, it forms new compound oxyhemoglobin. What is its name? Oxyhemoglobin. X Y HAEMOGLOBIN. Oxyhemoglobin, and the color of oxyhemoglobin is red. So blood is red in color. So a healthy person contains how much blood? 5.5. That is average. Some may contain 4.5 also, some may contain 6 liter also. But you have heard about blood donation. So blood is that substance which keeps on forming and dying. I mean, blood cells produce in some parts, and after some time they die. That's why if your age is more than 18 years, you can donate blood. That is possible. Okay. A plasma. What is the color of plasma? Pale yellowish, little bit light yellow in color, and it is alkaline in nature. Alkaline means it is a little bit bitter in taste. Bitter in taste. Um, you might have heard about Khoptod National Park.
Yes, sir.
Yes, different national parks are there. And why did I say about Khoptod National Park? I think once in a year there is gathering of many people in one part of Khoptod National Park, and people they gather there to drink the blood of yak. Okay, to drink the blood of yak. I think just below this person, they just find out one. What is that called? Artery. No, vein. What do they do? Vein, and then from that vein, what does come out? Blood, and they collect that blood and sell. They drink raw blood directly. So it is said that it is highly energetic, right? So we also actually, I don't know whether you cut both during the same time or not. So that they say Rakti, yes or no? They just do and have it. But generally it is said that Rakti, Bhodi and Sala, three things. Blood, skin and that elementary candles. These are very harmful for our health. But what to do? There is Bhutan. Yes or no? Or Sittan also. Andhra, Rang also eaten. Sorry? All things is there. See? But do they eat their Sala? Sala also, see? Because it is harmful because what is there? Here, no? Because of that it happens. Anyway, so it contains 80 to 90% water, and remaining portion is carbohydrate, protein, vitamin, oxygen, carbon dioxide, etc. Okay. So his next slide has not come here. That will be discussed next day. Sarvinder, you just make again and send me. Hey, all eight. So next day you have to explain. Now what do? We'll continue our old lessons, 4 slides, right? 4% presentation. After this turn, Sasank Acharya. Well,
My dad will display you.
first yours. Okay. Hold it very carefully.
Today I am here to present about the topic of artificial insemination. Most of the male produces enough sperm in a single ejaculate to be diluted and extended enough to create over 100 doses. For some species, diluted semen is then packed into straws and frozen. Artificial insemination can dramatically improve the genetic of our herd, with artificial insemination becoming increasingly popular. Many producers for purchases. Artificial insemination is done in mostly males. Thank you.
Okay, so he brought the slide of artificial insemination. In listen, students, in foreign countries, what system is there? The ladies they don't want to have husband; they want baby. Yes or no? So there is sperm bank. What is there? Sperm bank. And in sperm bank, people they can go and donate semen. Semen is the liquid that comes by the ejaculation of male's reproductive organ, and that is kept in uh, fridge. Okay, frozen means it is kept in fridge under certain conditions or temperatures. And if some ladies they want, then some amount of that semen is provided, and actually it is inserted in their vagina, and after some time the lady becomes pregnant and gives birth to young ones. But when is it inserted? There is some duration. Actually, they become pregnant if sperms are inserted inside the vagina in between 10 to 20 days of their menstruation. Like suppose today the girl has gone through menstruation. After 10 days, if the sperms enter inside the vagina, or within 20 days, then there is fertilization, otherwise not. But actually, this artificial insemination is done for animals also, right? We have got local cow and improved breed are there in Australia or in Europe. What do they bring? They bring the semen. What is brought?
Semen.
That semen is inserted in the female genital of cow or buffalo or goat by specially trained persons with the help of hand. It is kept inside and fertilization takes place, baby is produced. That is artificial insemination. Okay, that's great. Now which turn? Okay, Sapan.